And we're ready for our next bolt test, and today we'll be testing the bolt HiPot withstandability. This is a safety test to make sure that the bolt keeps the user safe. In a HiPot test, we apply thousands of volts across the isolation barrier of the bolt. So we have a special voltage input lead that connects all the voltage inputs together to one connection that goes to one side of the HiPot tester. And then the user accessible USB and CT connector has a connector that has all the lines shorted together to the other side of the HiPot tester. And we apply 4,000 volts across this bolt barrier, which is optical isolated, and we check to make sure there's no leakage current. We're testing in accordance to UL 611010, and because this is a category 3 600 volt environment that the bolt can be placed in, that calls for a 4,000 volt test lasting 1 second across the barrier. And the bolt is allowed a 0.5 milliamp leakage current during that test. So we'll connect the bolt to this. So we have the voltage on one side, the CT and USB connector on the other side. And we have our HiPot tester set to 4,000 volts for 1 second. We'll apply this test voltage, and we have 0.048 milliamps of leakage current, so 1/10 of the allowed limit. So the bolt is now shown to be perfectly safe. The user is safe if they are touching the accessible side, even in the face of transients on the voltage input side.